Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to host static site on Porkbun free hosting. So step number 1, login. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you're adding static hosting to. To the right of that domain name, click on the house icon under the website column. On the next screen, click select a plan under static hosting. On the next screen, choose how would you like to be billed. You'll save some money if you choose annual billing. Regardless of your plan, click the start trial. Link will automatically begin a 15 free day trial. Once the static hosting account is created in your system, you'll be taken to a page with the plan information and settings for your domain. Here you can use our simple editor to upload your site's files directly to our server. And that's it. The static hosting account is now active and that's it. Thanks for watching.